So if you're looking at the last trading session of the last week, I mean, there is nothing that has happened. Dow Jones up by 129 points, Nasdaq down by 68 points, and S&P 500 is down by 11 point. And this is actually played out the way we have discussed in our last video. You can go and check my video what has been discussed before Friday and what has happened on the Friday. Now this is not about a particular trading session. Now if you are looking at the overall price action, be it Dow Jones, be it S&P, be it Nasdaq, I mean, for the last 2.5 months there is nothing that has been done. And let me tell you one thing very clearly: it does not matter whether you are positively inclined or negatively inclined in the market, whether you are positive or negative in the market, but when you can see a range bound price action, you need to be very clear that there can be a move which will happen on both the side. It is not like if you are long, that you will only think long; if you are short, then you will only think short. Things can happen on both the side, because now the trend or the price action is happening within the range. So be very specific about that. Right now we are trading in between a range, so I have to discuss the range. This is the price chart of S&P 500, where it is trading at the support or near support, and it has already started moving higher. So for S&P 500 we have our support and stop loss of 4046, so please don't go below 4046. And on the upside we have our target, which will be in between 4100 and 4136. So this is the range that we are going to look at on the upside. So for S&P 500, a bounce back has started. Now let's go back and check what the Dow Jones is doing. I mean, here you can see this is the price chart, and there is nothing that has that is happening as far as the price action is concerned. It is trading in between a range for the last 1 month or so. So don't go beyond the range. But as I told you, it will be applicable for all the indices. Don't be one-sided. If the price action is happening within the range, just play the range, but keep your mind open for both the side. Okay, it can be a long one, it can be a short one, so both things can happen as far as the overall trend or range is concerned. As of now, for Dow Jones, also Dow Jones tested the lower end of the range, which will be in between 33,676 and 33,586, and similarly it has started moving higher. So the target that we are going to look at will be 34,166 and 34,343. Now let's go and check out the Nasdaq, what the Nasdaq is telling you. And for Nasdaq, obviously the strength is much better compared to other two index. So Nasdaq is also trading within in between a range, but in Nasdaq this consolidation, this flag pattern is very positive. So in Nasdaq as well we have seen a bounce back that has started, but let's keep some level in your mind. So you have your support at 11,675 and as your support, and 11,636 as your stop loss, and simultaneously on the upside we have 11,975 and 12,000, which is going to be our target and resistance. So I mean, as far as Friday is concerned, one thing that is very good for Monday is all the three indices have already tested the lower end of the range. Now it has started moving higher, so hopefully we will see a green Monday. Now the question is whether the Monday or whether the upside will be sustainable or not. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.